Hey folks, weather situation getting a little bit complicated tonight as this whole storm system coming across Texas comes together, but it looks like things are jumping toward the coast, and as that happens, the front moves a whole lot faster. And look right now, it's down to 56 degrees in Alice, front kind of oriented paralleling the coast. Falfurrias at 66, 57 in Hebbronville. Zapata not that far away is at 59. McAllen just had a wind shift within the last hour, so temperatures beginning to drop there as well. But you get east of the front, temperatures are still in the 70s. So here's the close-up on the valley. Notice Rio Grande City down to 62 right now. Still 71 McAllen and Edinburg, but mid to upper 70s as you get closer to the coast. That front pushing eastward slowly but surely. The winds have already shifted here in Weslaco out of the west now at about 5 miles an hour. Northwest winds in Edinburg at 10. Winds from the west in McAllen, but the eastern part of the valley still a strong southerly flow at 10 to 20 miles an hour. So it's still plenty of moisture feeding up into the system, but trying to bring some drier air back in. But it's not going to exactly dry us out just yet. We've still got to get this upper air disturbance by. The front kind of lines up right down through here. Notice all the moisture is moving northward. Pretty good rain along the coast on and off much of the daytime today. Port Mansfield area has seen some pretty good showers along the island. It's rained off and on quite a bit today, but you get back to the west, it's been mostly light stuff, nothing real heavy. Well, that front, this is the 3-kilometer high resolution future track, about as high resolution as it gets, slowly oozes eastward over the course of the next few hours and makes its way to the coast, and certainly by midnight it should be clearing the coast. And then though, notice there's still rain behind it all the way into the early morning hours of tomorrow. There could be a period of some brief heavy rainfall as the upper air disturbance, the core of that, moves across the top of us. Now I say the core is way north, but the axis, if you will, the part that's nearest to us. But still, even at that, you're not looking at a tremendous amount of rainfall. This is through tomorrow night, and you've got some blues just to our north, so ½ an inch plus just north of us, but you're looking at less than that across most of the valley. So still not expected to be a huge rainmaker, but if one of those cells goes convective, becomes a big thunderstorm, then somebody could pick up more rain than that. But that won't be the rule. Instead, showers that linger into tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, I think the rain is gone, and by tomorrow night, skies probably clear out and we're dry for Sunday and Monday. Look at the big picture across Texas. It has been raining from the Rio Grande all the way to East Texas all day today. Just lots and lots of rain and more expected. Here's your front, all the rain in the state. The big upper air low has to move across tonight and early tomorrow. It's bringing snow to parts of the Panhandle, West Texas today. Lubbock has seen snow much of the day today. Front moves east of us. Once this disturbance gets past us by tomorrow afternoon, then our upper level winds will come out of the northwest. That will dry things out. Once we dry things out, we can say goodbye to the rain chances. But again, that could linger into early tomorrow afternoon before we get rid of that. And then tomorrow night, skies may clear. Sunday, mostly sunny. Another front bypasses us on Monday. Don't think that'll get here. So we slowly warm up into the middle part of next week. Here's where the heaviest rain is expected. The flash flood threat is moderate, which really on that scale is pretty close to the top. Flash flooding is likely from San Antonio to Houston, including Austin, down to about Victoria. Slight risk of it down to Corpus Christi, and notice they've taken most of the valley out of even the marginal risk. So while there could be some flooding north of us, we really don't expect that to be a problem here. Here's how much rainfall we're looking at between now and the rest of the forecast period. Notice you're looking at less than an inch for the most part here from Corpus Christi up to San Antonio, another 1 to 2 inches, 3 to 5 east of that, Houston east to the state line, 4 inches plus in addition to what has already fallen. So kind of messy out there. Tonight's going to be a rough one across a lot of Texas. You've got travel plans to the north. You're going to get rained on. In some places it could be heavy. So tonight 53, breezy. It will turn chilly as that front pushes through. Temperatures will eventually begin to fall, and a shower, still the possibility of a thunderstorm. We got to keep an eye on this stuff tonight. That upper air disturbance is pretty strong. Most of the bad weather stays north of us. For us, showers, maybe a thunder shower. Best chances overnight, left over tomorrow morning. A much cooler day tomorrow, only in the 50s all day, because that front's jumping to the coast. We're just not going to recover tomorrow. So we've taken that temperature down to the 50s for the whole day. Clouds early, maybe some sunshine by the time the day is over with. But by tomorrow night, it'll clear. Sunday and Monday, plenty of sunshine, only in the low 60s. Look at the lows in the 40s all the way to around Tuesday. Start to warm it up by the end of next week. Spotty showers show up by about Thursday. That is your updated First 45 forecast.